Hello friends, welcome to CodeBode. So in the last video, we saw what is JDK and understood its architecture. And there was one important part of JDK, that is JRE. So in this video, we are going to learn about JRE. But before that, if you haven't checked the last video yet, the link is in the description box below. So let's start with understanding what is JRE. Now JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. So as the abbreviation suggests, it is an environment to run the Java applications. So if you want to run any application that is based on Java, installing JRE is mandatory because it consists of JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine, on which the applications actually run, and the libraries required to run the application. Now JRE is similar to your operating system because it runs the applications. Now there are some programming languages that run directly on the operating system, but they are vulnerable to security hacks. So Java introduced JRE, which is like your meta operating system, particularly to run the Java application. So Java applications run on JRE and JRE runs on the operating system. Now since JRE runs on the operating system, JRE is platform dependent. Platform dependent means you need to install it separately on Windows, Linux or Mac operating systems. You cannot use Windows installation on Linux or Linux installation for Mac or vice versa. But it makes Java platform dependent. So you do not need to develop separate code for Windows, Linux and Mac OS. Since Java applications run on JRE, JRE is already installed on each machine. You need to write it once on any machine that you want, and it runs on the other operating systems as well. So Java is said to be write once, run anywhere. So in the last video, we saw that JRE is a part of JDK. So if you have JDK installed in your system, no need to install JRE separately because it comes with JDK. But if you don't want to develop applications and just run the application, installing JRE must be sufficient. But if you don't want to develop the application and just run the applications, then installing JRE should be sufficient. But it is a better option to always have JDK because it comes with JRE. Now JRE is basically JVM plus the libraries needed. And JVM is an important concept to understand, which we are going to see in the next video. So stay tuned to our channel and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos on Java. And also please share this video.